What if just sitting still for a few minutes could literally reshape your brain, shrinking the fear center that fuels anxiety and supercharging areas for focus and calm? Dive in with me as we explore the mind-bending science of what happens in your brain when you meditate. Waves, syncing, structures, shifting, and hidden potentials unlocking in ways that feel almost magical. Hit that like if you're ready to uncover how this ancient practice is rewiring modern minds, because this journey through neural fireworks will blow yours wide open. Let's unpack this enigma. Meditation isn't just zoning out. It's a deliberate mental workout that flips switches in your brain, turning chaos into clarity. Think of your mind as a bustling city at rush hour, thoughts honking like traffic, emotions zipping by like pedestrians, all under the glare of stress spotlights. When you meditate, it's like hitting a master dimmer, the default mode network. That chatty part responsible for mind wandering and self-doubt quiets down, letting deeper calm emerge. The urgency in our always-on world, unchecked mental noise leads to burnout, but meditation counters it by boosting gamma waves, those high-frequency rhythms tied to peak awareness. Grounding this in fresh data, a 2025 Mount Sinai study revealed that even short sessions induce changes in deep brain areas linked to memory and emotional regulation, with participants showing reduced amygdala activity, the fear hub, after just 8 weeks. That's like diffusing a bomb in your head, making threats feel less explosive. X threads light up with personal tales. One semantic search pulled stories of folks ditching anxiety meds after consistent practice, echoing how theta waves surge, fostering creativity like a gentle river carving new paths. Scientific reports from USC in July 2025 AD Weight, showing mindfulness sharpens attention by dialing down alpha waves, that baseline hum of idle thoughts. Compare it to tuning a radio. Static fades, signals clarify without the overload, but push too far without guidance, and skeptics warn of dark night phases where buried emotions surface. Yet reassurance comes from frontal alpha asymmetry metrics, tracking meditation depth to keep it safe and effective. Now, let's paint the vibrant picture of where meditation science stands today, through the eyes of those pushing boundaries. Picture neuroscientists huddled around fMRI scanners, hearts racing as volunteers slip into stillness, brains lighting up like cosmic fireworks. Take Sarah Lazar, a Harvard researcher whose 2008 breakthrough showed meditators boast thicker cortical regions for sensory processing and decision-making, a triumph after years of skepticism. Fast forward to 2025, and her legacy thrives in labs where AI-enhanced imaging captures real-time shifts, gamma bursts syncing across hemispheres, forging neural highways for resilience. The tension, early scans risked misreads from fidgety subjects, but triumphs came with wearable EEG caps, like those in a May 2025 trial, linking meditation to lowered blood pressure via alpha and theta boosts. Humanize it with stories like John Kabat-Zinn, who brought mindfulness to medicine in the 70s, facing pushback from docs who called it woo-woo, only to see his program heal chronic pain patients by rewiring stress responses. Viral X clips capture the buzz. Semantic searches reveal threads from January 2020-5, where long-term meditators describe sensory explosions, syncing with a study on increased brain state synchrony for richer experiences. Reddit dives overflow with near-miss tales, folks hitting overwhelm in deep sessions, then rebounding with guided apps, turning potential pitfalls into profound insights. Then there's the discovery arc, a 2025 Frontiers paper on frontal alpha asymmetry, measuring how left-sided shifts signal deeper states, inspiring apps that gamify progress. It's not flawless. Funding dips and tech glitches, like a 2024 EEG glitch scrambling data, add drama, but comebacks prove the field's grit. Drop in the comments, what's your go-to meditation hack, and has it sparked any brain wow moments? But here's the thrill: gazing into tomorrow's possibilities. Meditation's ripple effects are exploding with tech, where AI simulations crunch petabytes of brain scans to map how practices could prevent diseases like Alzheimer's by enhancing hippocampal gray matter. Envision neural implants fine-tuning waves, amplifying benefits for all. A fresh 2025 review on neural complexity flips skeptics' scripts, showing meditation boosts dynamic brain activity, potentially fixing climate stress epidemics through collective calm. Counterpoints: Lingatech isn't universal yet. with access gaps but data from USC counters, with evidence that even brief sessions rewire for longevity. Optimistic speculation sees VR-guided meditations democratizing deep states, unlocking cures for depression by shrinking the amygdala while growing prefrontal connections. Private billions flow as X threads from neuroscientists highlight ventures blending biofeedback with apps, dodging over-reliance pitfalls. We're eyeing progress that mirrors FIRE's Tamming Tech's double-edged sword, where harnessing inner peace could heal societies or over-medicalize minds. Yet, grounded visions include AI, predicting personalized protocols, outpacing generic advice for tailored neural superpowers. Now, leap into the audacious what-if, a tale that feels cinematic, yet tethered to today's trends. Visualize a world where Elena, a 30-something neuroengineer, pioneers a neural crowner headset, fusing AI with biofeedback, outstripping rivals by modeling brainwaves with 99% precision. Launch day, users down the device, eyes closing as guided focus between browse Shambhavi style triggers, theta surges, the limbic system reshaping in real time. Elena's vignette pulses with tension, early tests glitch, waves spiking into anxiety loops, but predictive algorithms reroute, syncing gamma rhythms like a symphony conductor. Allies swarm via global X feeds, crowdsourcing tweaks from yogis to coders, while critics cry overreach. Midway, in Siberian retreats, a breakthrough devices detect subtle edges, birthing intuitive knowing and unity states. A hidden neural ecosystem revolutionizing mental health forever, no pills needed. As Elena witnesses a patient's amygdala shrink live, collapsing in awe, her creation clocks sessions yielding eons of insight in minutes. This isn't fantasy, with 2025 prototypes boosting sensory synchrony. We're strides from reality, where modeling turns meditation into a superpower engine. The neural abyss stares back, but we're staring deeper, armed with practices turning mental storms into serene seas. Depths untold in our grey matter whisper ancient wisdoms, from cave-dwelling contemplatives to today's app tappers. Picture this, a quiet glow in your skull defying chaos, echoing eons of evolution. We're on the cusp, miss this, and you'll wonder what inner worlds we left unexplored. Tag a friend who needs their mind expanded by these meditation marvels. This dive reshaped my worldview, reminding that every breath is a rebellion against frenzy, a nod to our shared quest for peace amid life's wild rhythms. Nature's hidden superpowers shine through, but curiosity lights the path. Smash subscribe for more plunges into the improbable. Comment your wildest brain hack below, and share this with your Zen squad because the mind's calling, and who knows what transformations you'll unlock next.